What's going on, guys? It's Alexa back with another video. This may or may not be a common problem with the 5th gen Camaros that have been coming out. So I'm experiencing a clicking noise towards the rear of my vehicle, towards the rear axles, rear wheel area. I've been experiencing this clicking sound for probably the last 2 to 3 months, and slowly it's just been getting slightly louder. It's been getting more and more frequent. I usually experience this clicking sound when I am accelerating from a stop or decelerating to a stop, and I can't put my finger on it. At first, since I was the only one hearing it in the driver's seat, I couldn't tell what direction of the car the sound was coming from. I didn't know if it was coming from the front, the engine, the transmission, the rear. I didn't know. So finally had someone listen to it, and it's definitely coming from the rear axle area of the vehicle. What I also did was I jacked up the car. We gave it some gas while the wheels were off. Didn't make the sound. Took the wheel off. We jiggled it around some. Messed with the shocks. Nothing was recreating the sound. So only when the car is under its own weight and accelerating is when I hear the click. So of course, I'm going to sit and demonstrate the click noise for you guys, and you let me know if you have any idea as to what is causing the noise, if you've experienced something like this with your Camaro, or if you have any other suggestions as to what it might be. So we're going to get both sides of the car so you guys will know what this is. So I will see you in just a second. So as you guys can see, or as you can hear, doesn't sound good, and it's definitely something that I'm gonna have to address very soon. Obviously, I probably shouldn't have let it go for so many months hearing that, but as I said, it started getting worse, and it was hard for me to figure out the best way to recreate that noise. I just figured it out this weekend that just forward and reverse is how I can hear that. So what's likely going to have to happen is I'm going to have to take that rotor off and check the hub that connects the axle to the rotor and see if either the CV axle nut needs to be tightened down or torqued to spec, see if a thrust washer needs to be replaced, see if a different washer needs to be replaced. Something, something is off. Maybe one of the axle splines is rubbing up against each other, and that's what's causing that clicking, because there's enough pressure that separates it and it just pops up and pops down, which creates that click. But as you guys heard, there's not just one click, it's multiple clicks if I accelerate hard enough. So either way, I didn't want to keep doing it to make the matter worse. I'll try to drive the car a little less often in the coming days or the coming weeks. So hopefully I'll be able to get to it sooner rather than later. I'm not trying to take it to a dealership because, for one, they're going to price gouge me. Two, I don't have a warranty on this car anymore, so they're not going to try to, hear that. Maybe I'll try to fix it myself with some help of some friends and some tools, but yeah, not sounding good. So if you guys know exactly what this is, or at least have an idea of what that issue might be, I'm hoping it's something that just needs to be tightened down. But if we have the hub off, I'm gonna try to replace everything that I think could possibly make that noise. This is just a quick video. I just wanted to show you guys this is what I'm dealing with, and I just wanted some input before I make any purchases for parts to fix this. And you know, just wanted to see what it could be, or if anyone else has gone through a similar thing, because this doesn't sound like a super easy job to me. That is, I'm not super mechanically inclined, but you know, I can turn a wrench or two. So we'll see what happens, but let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and keep your fingers crossed for me that it's nothing too serious. We want Bruce running in tip-top shape, and I'm sure the added power probably exacerbated this issue that I have here. So it is what it is. It happens when you modify a car. You know, there's some components on it that maybe aren't able to keep up with the added power. So it is what it is. But let me know if you have a solution or experience something similar. So thank you guys again so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, you already know, hit that like button. It really helps the YouTube algorithm promote my videos. And follow me on Instagram. I'll put it here if you guys don't follow me on Instagram already. So thank you guys again for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see y'all next time. Take care.